Welcome to UK Ninjas on Easy Commerce. If you watch this channel for first time, please subscribe and also visit playlist for more classes. In this class, let us understand what is elasticity of demand. First of all, meaning of elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand means responsiveness. Responsiveness responsiveness of demand to a change in any one of its determining factors. Responsiveness of demand to a change in any one of its determining factor is called elasticity of demand. The concept developed by Marshall. Concept developed by Marshall. Elasticity of demand otherwise means quantitative aspect of the responsiveness of demand due to change in any one of its factors determining demand. Quantitative aspect of the responsiveness of demand due to change in any one of the determining factors of demand is called elasticity of demand. In practice, the term elasticity of demand is used for price elasticity. In practice, elasticity of demand is used for price elasticity because the price is the most important factor which bring about changes in the quantity demand. Price is the most important factor which brings about changes in the quantity demand. Let us understand kinds of elasticity of demand one by one. First one is price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand. Then second one, income elasticity of demand. Income elasticity of demand. Then third one, cross elasticity of demand. Then fourth one, promotional elasticity of demand. Promotional elasticity of demand. Promotional elasticity of demand, otherwise called advertisement elasticity of demand. Advertisement elasticity of demand. The last one, demand elasticity of substitution. Demand elasticity of substitution. So these are the major kinds of elasticity of demand. But in practice, the term elasticity of demand is used for price elasticity. It explains the quantitative aspect of the price demand relationship. It provides the measurement of changes in demand due to a small changes in the price. Changes of demand due to a small changes in price. So there are different degrees or types of elasticity of demand. That is perfectly elastic, perfectly inelastic, highly elastic, etc. Let us understand these in next classes. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.